What if I told you one B2B agency is booking meetings for companies like chemical manufacturers, SaaS startups, and even enterprise teams without running ads or hiring huge sales teams? That's exactly why people keep searching for Belkins. And in this video, I'll break down what Belkin actually is, what they do, who they're for, and whether it's worth your time. And at the end of this video, I'll show you what to do if you like the Belkins approach, but you're not ready to hire a full agency yet. So what is Belkins? Belkins is a B2B lead generation and appointment setting agency focused primarily on outbound. They help companies book sales meetings by handling prospect research, cold email, LinkedIn outreach, and follow-ups. The core promise is simple. You focus on closing, they handle everything else. Belkins was founded by Michael Maximoff, and the company has been around for several years, building a name almost entirely around outbound sales execution. They're not a growth agency that does a little bit of everything. Their entire positioning is about predictable meetings booked through outbound systems. That's also why they become one of the most searched B2B lead generation agencies online. What Belkins actually does is fairly straightforward on the surface, but execution is where they differentiate. They start with ICP definition and targeting, then build a lead list, write cold email copy, run LinkedIn outreach, manage replies, qualify prospects, and book meetings directly on your calendar. In most cases, they act like an external SDR team that plugs into your sales process. They also emphasize multi-channel outbound, meaning email plus LinkedIn, rather than just relying on one channel. For companies selling complex B2B offers, especially in SaaS or IT services, this is usually the right approach. One thing Belkin leans on heavily is proof. If you look at their case studies and testimonials, you'll see examples like 200 appointments booked for healthcare platforms, 6-figure pipeline generated in a few months, and even 8-figure revenue attribution claims. These results vary wildly by niche and offer, but the key point is that Belkins is clearly experienced at running outbound at scale. So, is Belkins for you? Well, this is important. Belkin makes the most sense if you already have a product market fit, a clear offer, and a sales team that can close meetings once they're booked. If your offer is vague, pricing is unclear, or you're still experimenting, an agency like this can burn your money fast. You're paying for execution, not strategy from scratch. And another thing to understand is cost. Belkins is not cheap. Like most established outbound agencies, you're paying a monthly retainer, and results depend heavily on your market, messaging, and sales readiness. For many early stage founders, this is where hesitation kicks in. You might like the idea of outbound, but you're not ready to commit to an agency just yet. And this is where I want to share an alternative. What Belkins proves is that outbound still works when done correctly. Clean data, proper infrastructure, warm mailboxes, personalization, and consistent follow-up. The difference is that they do it for you. But if you're not ready to hire an agency or you want to keep everything in-house, you can actually replicate all of this using software. Instead of paying an agency to set everything up and run it for you, platforms like Salesforce let you build the same outbound system yourself. You get lead generation, email infrastructure, mailbox warm-up, personalization, and multi-channel outreach in one place. The difference is you control it, and you pay software pricing instead of agency retainers. If you want to learn how to do that step by step, I have a full tutorial right here. See you there.